for yourself, which is the best thing you can do, is to just show up, talk in the class, shout when you don't understand so that somebody can help you. Okay, I'm trying to clean the board so that I have a cleaner board here, please. Okay. Okay, let's carry on. This is our earlier question. This one having roots, this one having minus, and we knew that we are supposed to multiply it by root 5 plus root 3 over root 5 plus root 3. Let me get the best of my teaching angle. Okay, gonna get the best of my teaching. Yeah, yes, root 5 plus root 3. Okay. Now the next thing is, I said multiplying it. I just hope every other person joining are following. I said multiplying it is the next thing to do. Now to multiply this, I said use this one, multiply everything here. Use this one, which is in red now, multiply everything here also. So let's do that again. I said root 5, multiply everything here. That is root 5 plus root 3. Right? I'll now pick root 3 now. Root 3, multiply everything here also. I'll pick root 3, multiply everything here also. Be having plus root 3, open bracket, root 5 plus root 3. Do you understand that? Now, the next thing to do is to the next thing to do is to, I said something that when you are solving Surds, that base, there's a way to approach it so that your work will be fast. This is the main base. Just square it. Say root 5 square, root 3 square minus root. Always use minus root 3 square. Whatever it may be, just say minus root that thing square. That is the fastest way to solve that base. Now, let's open this bracket carefully. I hope nobody's outside the class, okay? So we have.
Sort of if the base are different.
I think somebody is asking something.
Yes, sort of if the base are different, like the numbers.
What do you say?
What if the numbers are different? The base.
What if the numbers are
The
different?
numbers or the base.
It can't be
Yes, how do
different.
we add them? Okay.
It can't be different. Can you get me? It can't be. I will do another example. Just watch the way I'm operating that base. You will see that it can't be different. Now let's carry on. Root 5 times root 5. This root 5 times this root 5 now. Remember when I said root 3 times root 3? That the best answer for that root 3 times root 3 is what? 3, right? I said root 11 times root 11. I said it what? 11, right? So root 5 times root 5 will be what? 5. Do you understand? All these things are very, very fast way to answer JAMB question. JAMB, especially mass JAMB, they want to test your speed. So root 5 times root 5 is what? 5. The next thing is to multiply this one like this again. Root 5 times root 3. Now they are not the same. 5. This one is 5 5. This one is 5 3. So since they are not the same, this is what it means. Root 5 times root 3. Are you getting? So since they are both having roots, you pick one root and put the numbers inside. 5 times 3. So we're having 5 times 3 to give us what? 15. So root 5 times root 3 is what? Root 15. So we have plus root 15. Because there was a plus here. That is the plus that is here. Now let's go to this one. There's plus. You write plus. Now we have 3 times root 5. The same way. The same thing. Still give us root 15. Look at what I mean. 3 times root 5. You pick one of the roots and put the numbers inside. 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 will give us what? Root 15. Very simple thing. So you write root 15. Are you getting that? So we also have root 3 times root 3. That same trick again, I said, when you are multiplying root of the same number, root 3 times root 3, root 3 times root 3. So what that means is what? 3 straight. Once you see root 9 times root 9, 9. Root 2 times root 2, 2. Are you getting that? It's a very, very, very fast way to answer this sort question. So root 3 times root 3 is what? 3 sharp. Now let's go to this denominator. I said the fastest way to express it is this. Now this root 5 square, what did I mean? Root 5 square means root 5 times root 5. Are you getting that? Square means multiplying that thing itself 2 times. Yes, please join again. Oh, join again. The class ended. Oh, so let me not get interrupted. So root 5 times root 5 will give us what? 5. I've said that many times. So minus root 3 times root 3. This one is root 3 square. Root 3 square means root 3 times root 3. And root 3 times root 3 is what? 3. This thing is simple. I've said that many times. So when you are multiplying roots of the same number, it is that number. So let's carry on. We have 5, which is the same with 3. Why? Why is 5 and 3 like terms? Like terms. Like terms means that they look alike. Are you getting that? A fair girl will always get attracted to a fair guy. Okay, they have like terms. A tall guy will always go attracted to a tall girl. Why? They have like terms. So a number without sword will always get attracted to a number without sword. Why? Because they have what? Like terms. So 5 plus 3 will be like terms as what? 8. Somebody want to say something?
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please, I'm lost. Sir,
Lost where?
Sir, can you go back to the second step?
This stage. Which stage is that? Every other person that is lost, you can pick up and also speak up, either by typing or by speaking
Sure.
up. Now, where do you say you're lost? Just
So that's square root 5, open bracket, square root 5 plus 3 plus square root 3. From that place,
square root
how you
5.
got this 5 plus square root 15?
How I got 5?
Like
Now let me
plus square
move
root
my
15.
hand. Can you see my pen movement? Can you see my pen on the screen?
Yes.
So I'm on 5 now.
Yep.
Not there.
Now I can't see your pen.
Okay. Okay, let me use my highlighter. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see it now.
You can see this, right?
Yes.
So I'm here now. Are you here?
Yes.
Is this what you want to get clarity on?
Yeah, how you got it?
How I got 5, Abi?
Yes.
Okay. I got 5 from here.
Yes.
Look up here. I got 5 from here. This place. Are you getting that? That's where I got 5. And how did I get it? Let me clean this so that you see that.
Yes.
I said 5 this root 5 here times root 5. Are you getting that? Root 5 times root 5. Do you understand that? There's a lay down rule I've already explained, and I've explained this thing earlier in the class, why root 5 times root 5 is 5. Do you know why root 5 times root 5 is 5?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let me ask you this one. What is root 16 times root 16?
Because 16 times 16 should be root 32.
No, it's
And
16. Do you get that? Once you are rooting, you are multiplying root number of the same number. You don't even need to think of solving at all. You just say it's 16. Are you getting?
okay.
Yeah, you
Yes,
don't
sir.
need to think of. So now let me ask you this one again. What is root 21 times root 21?
21.
Sharp. Are you getting that? It's just brain there. Let's do it again. What is root 7 times root 7?
7.
Sharp. So what is root 5 times
7.
yeah, what is root 5 times root 5?
5.
You see now. Do you get that? So when I keep
5.
yeah, so I just hope every other
Yes, sir.
person who are in his position, because many persons there will be hearing root 3 times root 3 3. Where is this man seeing this 3 first from? It's a simple model. Once we are multiplying numbers of roots of the same number, is that number. Are you getting that? So root 5 times root 5 is what gave us 5 here. Although I've proven it before, I've shown why, because it is actually root 25. But there's no time. There's how a jambite should think. Are you getting that? A jambite should think fast in numbers. Do you understand? So now, root 5 times root
Yes, sir.
3. Root 5 times root 3 will give us root 15. Why? Because root 5 times root 3. I said when you are multiplying numbers of the same that is having roots, but they are not the same number now. You know, imagine it was 5 that is here, we just say 5. But this time they are not the same number, they are different number. You bring out the roots and multiply the numbers inside. Do you understand? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is 5 times 3 will give us
Yes.
15. Simple, and that's why we are having 15 here. So the same thing apply here also. Root 3 times root 5. Root 3 times root 5. Are you getting? So we bring out the roots and multiply the numbers inside. 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. That's why we are still having 15 here. Are you getting that? Now, and why we are having 3 here is because, you know, we have done 3 times 5. Now the next thing is to do 3 times root 3. 3 times root 3 now. See how to do it. Root 3 times root 3. So we bring out the roots and multiply the number. That is 3 times 3, right? And 3 times 3 is sorry, I've forgotten that simple model. When we are multiplying root 3 times root 3, what will it give us so that we don't waste time? Everybody please type that one. Oh.
3. 3. 3.
Yeah. I would have opened everybody mic, but there are some people that are with their children now. I will just be hearing baby crying, and some other person are in the kitchen. I'll be hearing pot sound. Okay, that's 3. Let's fire on so that we can go on. Now I said because of like terms that 5 is alike with 3 because it does not have sword. We bring it together. 5 plus 3 will give us 8. 15 is also alike with root 15 here. So root 15 plus root 15. Since we can't break down that root, are you getting that? It's just like you saying x plus x. X plus x is what? 2x, right? So root 15 plus root 15 is
Yes.
2 root 15. It's a very simple one there. I'm not going to lie. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. We have finished this work. This is the answer. You can just further break it down and say 2 here 1, 2 in 8, 4, 2 in 2, 1. So you'll be having 4 root 15. Very shikina work. I know some of you now, your head is hot inside this small question. Your head is hot. Just look at it for a while. Take your time, process everything I've said. Our class has a very short time. Screenshot it. I hope you, from your own end, you're also screen recording in case it takes me forever to upload it on my YouTube. But I'm going to do that. Yeah, please quickly type move on. Type move on, move on, move on. In your math class, everybody please type move on if you are ready. Oh, somebody is asking a question here. Let me see. In your math class, please type move on. Okay. Everyone, please type move on if you are following. If you want us to move on, move on. Go and look for Abigail. Okay. Abigail said I should move on. How many people are in this call? Some people just on the call and I went to sort family issues. That's not right, oh. Please talk, oh. Yes. Told me to move on. What's your name, please? You. Your name so that I save your name. What's your name? Aisha. Oh, nice to meet you, Aisha. Move on. Yes. What's also your name? This person too. What's your name?
Aisha.
Yeah, no, Aisha.
Charity.
Pelumi. Okay, that's
Pelumi.
nice. Pelumi. Okay, you are the Pelumi Aishola here. That's nice meeting. I'm so happy meeting every one of you. So seven of you are following and I'm happy. You too, what's your name? Yes. And you? What's your name? So that I know you by your name. I will save your name now. All these people that my stuff is saving their name wrongly. Okay. See the way I block view for those who are already know. Men are not verse from you. Yes. No. Oh, you are great. Oh, you are great. That's great. Okay. Now, okay. Let's look for more questions to play around with. Destroy some JAMB related question, and you see that. Okay, what did they have in that question? You see, they say 4 root 15, or is it plus 4 root 15 or something? You see that, okay, plus 4 root 15. It's not hard. It's not really hard. You definitely see your answer there. Are you getting that? You definitely, once you know this thing, you get your answer. Can we do this 85, number 85? Who will do it? You all will do it with me. Oh, I will not do it alone. I have talked a lot. My mouth is even paining me. I will just be giving you step by step. Because if I talk and solve everything by myself, I may end up fainting. So I don't want to faint. I expect every person here with in this class, 7 of you that made out time to be here are with your books. I expect that you're with your books. So we'll solve that question together. Now,
Yes, sir.
what that question says, I'll just be guiding you through 1 over root 5 minus root 3. When you see question like this, delicious question. 1 over root 5 minus, is it minus what they put there? Okay, root 3. Okay, root 3. Don't mind me. Yeah. Where else did they put there? Minus 3 over root 5 plus root 3. Okay. Minus 3 over root 5 plus root 3. I think that's what they have there. Right? Okay, let's solve it. I'll be giving you step by step how to solve it. After we do this one step by step, you will not do another one by yourself without step by step. The first thing you need to do is, once you see a problem like this, there are many ways to do it. You can find the LCM. You can also you can find the LCM. You can also rationalize it one after the other. Are you getting? So the first thing you're supposed to do is, okay, find the SCM is one step I will say that is smart. See XCM. SCM means that draw the base. This is two factor. Factor 1, factor 2. Multiply them together. So once you multiply, you have, multiplying them together means, see what you have, root 5 minus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3. Now you'll be doing it with me. Now I'll just show you one step. The next thing is this root 5, this one now, this one in this LCM, in this HCF, sorry. If you divide it, let's say you divide this and this, what will be left is this root 5 plus root 3. This one will be used to multiply everything up here. Are you getting that? It will be used to multiply everything up here. So we'll be having 1 times root 5 plus root 3. Why is my handwriting bad? Okay, I've zoomed it too much. Zoom it in too much. Now, the same thing apply. Once I also come here also and say root 5 plus root 3, divide this LCM also. Root 5 plus, this is the only thing it can divide. This will be what will be left. Root 5 minus root 3. So this root 5 minus root 3 will be used to multiply this up. So we'll be having minus 3, open bracket, root 5 minus root 3. Do you understand that? It's a very simple LCM issue. See what I'm doing now? This thing is something that they taught you in primary 2. But you know, some of you, I don't know whether you know, you did Ojoro in your common entrance, and this is what is already showing here. This is the same thing I'm doing now. The same thing, you know, that thing they taught you in common entrance. What they'll teach you is, say, find the SCM between 5 and 7. The SCM between 5 and 7 is what? 35. Well, how did they get 35? It's actually 5 times 7, abi? Now, 5 times 7 is what gives us 35. They will not say 5 here 1, 5 in 35. What they are trying to say is 5 here 1, 5 here also cancel. What is left is 7. You use this 7 and multiply 2. 7 times 2. Are you getting that? Plus, you will not say 7 here 1, that is 7 cancel. What will be left is what? 5. You use this 5 and multiply this one. Sorry, this minus. Use this 5 and multiply this one. You'll be having 1 times 5. So that's the same thing I'm doing here. The same thing I'm doing here. That primary school work. That I say this here one. What is left is this one. So once you understand this thing I'm doing now, that is primary 5 work, this one will not be a problem. And I cannot teach primary 5 work in a JAMB class. That is not good now. If you don't to do your younger ones assignments. Okay. Now, the next thing you do for me is open this bracket, everybody. So, everybody use this one, multiply this. 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 And drop your answer in the comment section. I want to see you.
Which one?
Multiply everything here. Multiply everything
Sorry?
here. Open it. I want to see you. Open the denominator. Tell me what to be up. Open the denominator. Tell me what to be down. Tell me what to be up. You can add it and subtract it. Add it and also subtract it. Tell me what to be down. I want to see, because if you cannot multiply, you'll be finding class hard. I will pause the video. I didn't play the video. So we'll also multiply this one 3 times minus. So this minus here times this minus here will give us plus. And we're having 3 times root 3 will give us what? 3 root 3 over. Now we'll multiply it also the same way we've been doing. Although this look like what our rationalization problem, where we will have to square this one and square this one. But let me show you the process manually. This manually, what you do is just pick that root 5 out and multiply it with everything here. That is root 5. How do I stop this notification? My battery will soon be going low too. That is root 5 times this root 5 here times root 5 plus root 3. And also we'll pick this minus root 3 here and multiply everything here also. So that will be also minus root 3 times root 5 plus root 3. You get that? So once we open it, we'll be having root 5 times root 5 will give us 5. I've said that before. Root 5 times 3 will give us plus root 15. Minus root 3 times root 5 will give us what? Minus root 15. And minus times plus will give us minus. Root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. Right? So when we have root 15 plus root 15 minus root 15, we cancel and give us 0. It's just like you saying 15 minus 15 is 0, right? So that will give us 0. And 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So this automatically becomes 2. Are you getting that? So everything here now just becomes 2. Then we look for like terms. I was saying something about like terms when adding up this up here. Like terms is that people who are of the same character come together. This one has the same character with this one. Why? Because it has root 5. This one has the same character with this one because it has root 3. You can see that. So let's add the ones with the same character, or we arrange them together. Let's arrange them together. Okay. Arranging them together, root 5 and root 3 comes together. We have root 5 minus 3 root 5. Then this one with root 3 comes together also, plus root 3 plus 3 root 3 over 2. Are you getting? Very simple process. Are you getting? Okay. The next thing is, let's work on this. This root 5, you can regard it as x. You know, when you have x minus 3x, it will give you minus 2x, right? So root 5 minus 3 root 5 will give us what? Minus 2 root 5. So, and when you also have this root 3, just consider it as also x. X plus 3x. X plus 3x will give us what? 4x. So this one will give us 4 root 3. Add the number front here. Let the root remain the same. The root remain the same. I brought it out. There's a 1 here that is not written. That 1 minus 3 is the what gave us minus 2. There's a 1 here also. That 1 plus 3 is what gave us 4 over 2. Are you getting that? And we are done. So, but since 2 can go in 2 and go in 4, we can just say 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. And last we'll be having, there's a 1 here. So we'll be having minus 1 root 5 plus 2 root 3. Nothing is done here because everything changed to 1. You can arrange it this way. Bring this one forward. And you'll be having 2 root 3 minus root 5. Shaking. Now, very simple stuff. Okay, let me zoom out so that you can see the whole process clearly. I first found LCM, Then the next thing I did is I follow SCM procedure, this in this times this in this times this. The next thing I did was I multiplied the up, multiply it and open it. This is what it gave me. You have to be fast with that. The next thing I did was I multiplied it down to, after multiplying it down, this is what it gave me 2. And when I added the up with like terms and added every like terms together, it gives me this. Then I divide what 2 across them because 2 can go, and it gave me 2 root 3 minus root 5. That's our final answer. The video is going to end here. We are going to catch like 15-minute break before we continue. Okay. I hope if there's any, is there any question from anyone? Please, your only challenge. Okay, do this one for me. Everybody do this one before the call ends. The call is going to end now. Wait, this thing. Do this one. Do this number 76. Copy it.